Bro, this channel be pushing it with the with the titles. Hot Asian lady eats dog. Again, I don't know what's going on. We about to watch it.
It's so good to hear from you, Bella. It feels like we were just senior in college yesterday. A lot has changed. About 3 months ago, my parents died in a plane crash. Things have been pretty rough, especially on my sister. She sneaks out all the time and I never know what she's up to. We have been looking after our parents' house. We are trying to get it sold at the moment.
Damn.
So hey, if you are in the market, let me know. Besides that, well, that's really it. I hope you are doing well and I cannot wait to see you.
Hey, where are you going? Nowhere. Trey, I thought we are going to go through the paperwork. I gotta run. I'll be back.
What the fuck? Is she doing what I think she's doing?
Hi.
Hi, I'm Tran. I'm the dog sitter.
Oh, please come in. Thank you for coming. See, I gotta propose to my girlfriend tomorrow. Oh, wow. Yeah, such short notice. I gotta fly all the way to Florida for a custom-made engagement ring. I don't trust it to be shipped, so I'm gonna go tomorrow and get it. So thank you for coming.
Oh, it's no worries at all. I'm just glad I could help.
What the fuck?
Oh, here she is.
Ooh, so yummy. I mean,
Is that like, do they have dye for dogs? I don't, sorry. Random thought.
wow, so cute.
Like hair dye and shit? They really do that?
So if you can take her on a walk in an hour or two later on at night, food is over there in the cabinet. Treats are over there in that cabinet.
Oh, wait. I actually brought some treats for her.
Oh, you're so awesome. So let me say bye to my baby.
Okay.
I feel like this is about to get weird.
Okay. Daddy will be back tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye, baby. Okay. So you guys enjoy the evening.
When he leaves.
Don't worry about her. She's in great hands.
When he fucking
All right,
leaves,
thank you.
watch. It's about to get weird. I fucking knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Oh, Ginger. You look so cute.
How does this make it through? What?
We eat dogs. We eat dogs. We can eat dogs. We eat dogs. Dogs. Ginger.
What is this? What is happening?
Hey, Trin.
You have a cat?
Oh, I totally forgot to mention that. That's just Felix. He won't bother anybody. Just leave him in his room. He has a litter box and food in my room. Just let him go.
Okay.
How's my baby girl?
What the?
Oh, she's great. I'm about to take her for a walk.
You're amazing. Please call me if you need anything, all right?
All right, bye.
Okay, hold on. So let me make sure I'm getting this right. She's signed up on an app to dog sit, right? And then she wanted to kill the dog and eat it. Count your days, tomorrow teachings.
You're lucky I don't eat cats. It's tradition to my culture that you'll be sacrificed to the gods.
What?
Hey, babe.
Hi, babe. Do you think you can do me a favor, please?
Yeah, what's up?
Well, I was on this dog app, hired this woman, and I'm on my way to the business convention. But when I called her, she seemed a little suspicious. And I'm wondering if you can just, like, check on her for me, please?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, of course. I will go right now.
Oh, thank you, babe. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, no.
Bye-bye.
Oh, it's her fucking friend.
Hello.
How did she not know she was getting engaged? What the hell?
What's that?
You will die, cat. I can even eat you. You are a disgrace to this world. Let Satan take you now! Ah!
Bro, what the fuck? What? What?
Ellie?
Damn.
So you mean to tell me you eat dogs to cope with the loss of your parents?
Officer, why haven't you arrested her?
Oh, she will be arrested. It's just mandatory I ask her a few more things. One of which that was the last one. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
Wait. Can I talk to her real quick before you take her?
I suppose.
Oh, she's about to get her ass beat.
Officer, she killed my dogs.
I know. I'm sorry. You must be in a lot of pain. Just goes to show you never can trust those dog sitting apps.
You'll always be my little sister, Chim. I love you. I will visit you.
What?
I just can't believe it.
You could have asked the nigga had snacks or some shit. You didn't eat his fucking dog.
Jerky.
Is that poison?
It's just some good jerky. It's just homemade.
Where'd you find that jerky? Ain't my jerky. Are you okay?
Yeah, you definitely going to jail. You killed an old white dude. Yeah, you going to jail for a long time.
Oh, wait a minute. Officer. Oh my God. Oh. Officer.
Oh shit.
Oh. Oh. My. Oh.
What the fuck?
What's happening?
He ate the poisonous tree.
I'ma kill her, Allie.
Caleb, I didn't mean to eat the dogs.
What do you mean? What?
don't-
What? What do you mean you didn't mean to eat the dogs? You drugged them and... All right, woman.
You know how I feel. The loss of my parents is too hard on me. Eating animals were the only way that I felt happy again. Caleb.
Huh?
Please, understand.
But you ate my dog.
You don't know how I feel, Caleb. You have to try to understand.
I don't think anybody's gonna understand you. There's a lot of misunderstood people in this world, but you fucking eating dogs, that does not help. What the hell? Oh, what the fuck? Where'd she get the whip from? What? What is going on?
Fear that Caleb was going to
Huh? What is going on?
Trin, Allie saved her sister and began to whip Caleb. For the next 6 months, Allie and Trin would make him a slave. Eventually, Allie and Trin both went to jail due to Caleb escaping during Christmas.
Hey, is that the fucking she be hunting Mexicans, right?
Hey guys, it's Jessica from Tomorrow's Teachings. I hope you enjoyed that amazing video. We all live here together, so let's make this world a better place, one video at a time. If you like what you saw...
So, let me get this straight. It went from her eating dogs to slavery. Okay. Look at this. Look. What? Out of nowhere, this bitch pulls out a fucking whip.
Oh my god. Oh.
Where is it?
To eat is to...
He was going to kill
Like, where?
To try to understand.
Like, where'd you get the whip from? Just pull that shit out. I'm so confused. I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I guess I'm gonna try and process this a little bit more. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.